I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can get a free domain for Wix. Now, first off, when you sign into Wix and you buy any of their subscription, you will get a free domain, right? And it's a custom domain, not a domain that has the Wix prefix or suffix behind it, right? So if I go, for example, here, if I go to one of my site here, right? It says not publish. Just click on select site, right? And it'll load up our dashboard just like this. Now, once it loads up our dashboard, you can see we can connect a custom domain. Now, if I, for example, I want a domain called shoes2central.com and I click on let's go, you can see that it's available, right? And if we want to make it ours, if I go to the button here, or I can make it here, make it yours, you can see I can buy a domain, right? I can get a domain for free with a premium plan, right? So you can see if I have a premium plan, I can get the domain for free. But if you don't want to buy anything, like if you want to buy a subscription, just click on the button up here to upgrade. And this is the subscription option here. Just wait for it to load. There it is. Now, if you buy any of this subscription, you will get a free domain for 1 year, completely free, right? But if you don't want to buy anything, just click on design site. Now, on design side, you need to publish the store first, right? Or whatever website you're using, store, blog, whatever. You just need to publish it first. So let's just wait for this to load. Now, on preparing your site, you'll see that on this button up here, once it's loads in, you can see publish. Just click on publish. Now, once you publish it, Wix will give you a free domain for free, but it will have their prefix or suffix behind it, right? It'll say wix.com, and there it is. You can see this is your free domain. It's your account, and then .wix site, and then your current shoe store name. And there you go. You have a free domain just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.